Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I will be unboxing a witchy mystery box from Etsy, which is something that I love doing in the fall to kind of like get myself into the Halloween spirit. Just a disclaimer, I don't practice witchcraft. This is just for fun. I'm really interested in the spiritual. I believe in the paranormal, but I have no interest in practicing actual magic, making spells and things like that, because I really don't want to mess with that world. The box that I ordered, it's I think pretty innocent. It has crystals, incense, sage, things like that. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the box. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the items and how you're supposed to use them. So yeah, let's get into it. So as I said, I ordered my box on Etsy and I'm gonna link the shop, I'm gonna link the box, I'm gonna link everything in case you guys are interested in getting one for yourself. But this was one of the highly rated boxes. It's called the Brewing Witch Kit. And it says it's a great beginner witchcraft kit with starter items for both beginners and advanced practitioners. The box costed $42. With the shipping, it was about $50 to get to my home. So this is the box itself. It's pretty much like packed to the brim with different things, and I'm gonna go through all of them and show you guys. So the first couple of things that you see are just a couple of cards. One is just a thank you card. The other one is just a description of some of the items and how you can use them, which I'm gonna be referring to this as I'm going through the box because I'm not super familiar with all the items. So every box comes with sage, and as you're ordering the box, you can choose between white sage and blue sage. I already had white sage at home, so I decided to go with the blue. And sage is traditionally used for smudging, basically cleansing the space or cleansing yourself from negative energy. You basically light up one end, and it's not supposed to be an open flame, it's just supposed to smoke. And then you just go around your home, for example, in a specific way, and you smudge every single place of your home to cleanse it from negative energy. With this particular box, they say that their sage comes from a local farm in Colorado, which I think is really cool. And they also say that sage has a very distinct and specific smell, and it smells different to everyone, which I thought is also really interesting. So the second item that is supposed to go with the sage is a little feather, which I wasn't familiar with how you use feathers for smudging, so I did a little bit of research. And apparently the feather is used to symbolize air. Traditionally, you would begin by opening a window or a door in each room and begin there. This is also where you will end. This is done in each room walking clockwise. With the feather, you wave the smoke, gently affirming your intentions of cleansing that space, leaving only positive energy. We leave a window or a door open because the healing properties of the sacred smoke collect and transmute the positive ions, and the ions get dispersed into the fresh air. You can also smudge yourself or cleanse your personal energy. If you can go outside, the best is to be on bare feet to connect to earth, grounding yourself. Remove all metal jewels from your body because it can affect the energy. You can use a feather to bring sage smoke towards your eyes, ears, mouth, hands, and overall whole body. You can also smudge your feet and back to remove negative energy. The next item that comes with the box that you can personalize, you can choose the color of this item, is a planchette with moon phases. I don't think you can use that without a Ouija board. I'm personally not interested in using Ouija boards at all, but I feel like it's just a nice, I don't know, souvenir or just something magical to display if you want. The next item that we're getting is a little bottle of black salt. There is a little explanation about the black salt that I'm gonna read to you guys. You can use it to cast a circle with extra protection. When doing a ritual of any sort and casting a circle as a container, the container itself is designed to both protect the work and participants inside the circle, as well as hold the building energy until it's time to release it. There are times, however, when an extra layer of protection is needed to reinforce the circle cast. In those instances, tracing the circle with black salt on the ground is a potent way of doing this. You can use magical black salt for banishing, protection, hexing, and cleanses/purification. So I'm definitely not going to be using it to cast spells or do rituals and stuff like that, but I've heard that you can use salt to sprinkle on your front door to keep the negative energy and evil spirits away, so I might try that. The next item that we're getting it was just a bonus item. It's a little candle, a little tea candle, and a candle holder. The next thing that we're getting is a collection of little chakra stones. There are 7 stones, one for each chakra, and you can place them on the appropriate places and use them to meditate, I guess. So the stones that we're getting are amethyst, sodalite, blue quartz, aventurine, citrine, carnelian, and red jasper. And you also see which one of them corresponds to which chakra and when you're supposed to place them on your body. There is a little note. So our next item is this little baggie of spirit guide communication herb blend, and there is also information about this one which I'm gonna read to you. The spirit communication herb blend is a special blend of herbs with the energy to help you communicate with spirit guides, angels, and your ancestors. Use as an incense for any divination session or to help with communicating with your spirit guides and angels. Put them in a bag with your favorite stones to carry with you, which is something that I might actually do. I have a little bag with 2 of my favorite crystals that I pretty much carry everywhere. So I might also add a little bit of these herbs to see if something's gonna happen. There are also some other uses for the dried herbs. Using a hot charcoal disc, you can sprinkle them on top and use for natural incense for your witchcraft and magical workings. You can make a sachet and put it with your tarot card decks and crystals, and you can use them to make your own bath salts. Just mix a teaspoon with a half of a cup of Epsom salt, which is pretty cool. There are obviously a lot of uses for this, and I'm definitely gonna try using it for something. So they actually mentioned here the hot charcoal disc, which we actually are getting. And I honestly had never seen anything like this, so I had to do a little bit of research. The charcoal disc also comes with frankincense, and this is basically just another form of incense. So frankincense has a woody, spicy smell and can be inhaled, absorbed through the skin, steeped into a tea, or taken as a supplement. The key words about it are empowering, meditation, spirituality, strength, cleansing, and protection. You can use the charcoal disc as a way to burn dried herbs, resin, or incense powder. You're supposed to place the disc in a heat-proof dish or a bowl, light with a lighter until the disc sparks about 30 seconds, and then put a pinch of herbs, resin, or powder on top. These discs stay lit for about an hour. When they're done, they turn into ash for easy disposal. The other thing that we're getting is a little sachet of dried lavender, which smells amazing. And this also has many purposes. You can literally just put it in your drawer with your clothes to make them smell nice. You can put it under your pillow to promote healthy sleep. The lavender aroma also can help with stress and anxiety. You can also burn that on a charcoal disc for like meditation and again to alleviate stress. And then a couple more things that I found online. You can add it to bath water. You can boil it in water during a house blessing to drive out negative energy and forces of turmoil. You can use it in the kitchen to flavor foods because lavender is edible, and you can simmer it in a coconut oil and use it as a dream salve. Nice to rub on children who suffer from nightmares as a protection balm. So a lot of interesting usages for this one. The next item that we're getting is this Goddess Glow Herbal Ritual Bath Salt Sachet. It's a detoxifying, aura and energy cleansing mineral-rich blend of Dead Sea, pink Himalayan, and Epsom salts. So I'm definitely really interested to try this. Next up, we're getting some incense sticks and one little pyramid. I'm not sure if it has another name. They smell really subtle and nice, kind of like floral. I'm not sure what type of smell that is. It smells great. I really can't place the smell, but it's really, really pleasant. The next thing in this box is a set of 3 candles, which I suppose are to be used for like candle magic or to help with different like rituals and stuff. So in the field of magic, different colors candles signify different things. Like for example, red is for love, green is for money and prosperity and success. For purple, I found drive, negative energy, and spiritual power. And for the white, I found peace, purity, cleansing, and healing. So to work candle magic, You can choose a candle based on what you want to happen, then visualize your goal, dress the candle by rubbing it with oil and or scratching in symbols. I've seen people do like runic symbols on the candles, and you do that while focusing on your goal, and finally you light the candle. The next thing that we're getting is this tiny little bottle of gemstones. They call it a spell bottle. It's the cutest thing. And I feel like it's full of rose quartz, little gemstones. So I think you basically are supposed to like carry this around for like good luck or for whatever the crystals in it are helping with. So in this case, if this really is rose quartz, this would help you attract love and like good partnership, good friendships. It can help with communication and empathy towards others. It's also believed to calm the mind, assists in releasing fears, and affirming loving energies. The next thing in this box is probably one of my favorite things, and it's this raw citrine crystal. So look how beautiful is this. They have a little description about it in the little booklet that is included. And it says that it's a powerful cleanser and regenerator. It absorbs, transmutes, dissipates, and grounds negative energy. It activates the crown chakra and opens the intuition. So this is a really great stone. Next up is another crystal. It's my favorite crystal ever, actually. It's a big piece of raw clear quartz. It also comes with a little description in the booklet. So the clear quartz is the most healing of all stones. It amplifies, cleanses, releases, and stores energies. Most common crystal used for healing. Clear quartz properties make it the perfect stone for use in meditation and any other kind of deeply spiritual work. And the keywords are healing, meditation, expansion of consciousness, communication with guides, past life recall, attracting love or prosperity, or virtually any purpose. So this is just great. If you are a beginner with crystals, getting a clear quartz, I think it's a great first step. We're also getting this little bag that you can use to carry your crystals around. And there is one last crystal in this bag, and it's this little selenite wand. And there was no description about the selenite, so I had to do my own research. So selenite calms, brings deep peace, and offers access to past and future lives. Selenite brings mental clarity, clearing confusion, and revealing the bigger picture behind problems. A protective stone, selenite shields a person or space from outside influences, and it can be used in a grid around your home or in the corners of a room to create a safe and peaceful space. Selenite can evoke protection from the angelic realm and also dispels negative energy. So this is amazing. I didn't have a selenite, so I'm really happy to have one now. And the last thing in this box is just another, looks like a bonus item, which I love. It's a little sticker inspired by tarot that says the donut, which, how cute is this? So that's everything in the box. I generally am really excited to get all of these items. I feel like I can find a purpose for all of them. Since this box is aimed towards beginners, I feel like it would be really good if there were like longer descriptions of the items, and actually descriptions for all of the items, because some of them I had to like Google on my own. And it's always like nicer to have all of that included. Other than that, I feel like this pretty much covered everything. And I really love the variety of items. The quality looks really nice. So I'm excited to put them into practice. If you enjoyed this video and you're into that type of stuff, I have 2 other videos like that on my channel, so make sure you check them out. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!